or viewers and students and teachers. Welcome to Cooking with the Yo-Yo. So today we're gonna make a fruit kebab. First thing we need is a chopping board. So yay, we got chopping boards. Next we need is strawberries. Okay, we have strawberries. And the next ingredient is a cup of raspberries. Okay, we got the raspberries. Now we need the blackberries. Okay, now we got the blackberries. The next ingredient is the blueberries. Okay, we got the blueberries. The next ingredient is the grapes. Okay, we got the grapes. Next, we need a knife and some skewers. Okay, we got the knife and skewers. Then, last thing we need is the dish. Okay, we got the dish. Now to start making. Okay, so first, get the strawberries and cut off the stem. Okay, so we're gonna cut them into half and then another half. Okay, now we got 6. Okay, then we need the grapes. Okay, so you can have any color grapes and they can be, dropped one. Okay, we'll put that up later. So I got 6 right now and then I'll get the rest later. So first, we got the grapes to put on first, the skewer, just lining them up. Then we got the strawberries, then the raspberries, and then the blackberries, and then the blueberries. So now that we've got all of them lined up, now all we have to do is put them on the skewer. So we put the grapes on first, then the strawberry, then the raspberry, then the blackberry, and finally the blueberry. So now this is the finished product. We have grapes, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries. So these are the fruits I chose, but you can choose any fruits you want or vegetables. And now we gotta make the rest. So I'll just put that on that plate right there. And then grape, strawberry, raspberry, and blackberry, then blueberry. So this is how we make the fruit kebab. And remember that you can use any fruits or vegetables that you want. So I made this for my family and they all really liked it except for my sister who hates healthy stuff. So this is what it looks like, and bye.